this thing's in pretty bad shape. Yeah, all your clay, all the sections are like falling apart. Oh, this one is horribly. Yeah, it goes out to 61st. It's about 50 feet. But then you also have like, I think this is where you're blocked up at. There are all those roots. And then knowing that you can see the lip of the start of the other pipe. They're basically like
completely separated.
Like that one. Let's see, I can hardly even get over. Oh, I'm recording all this. I'm gonna send this whole thing to her. And then you go into PVC where it probably broke at one time. It looks like somebody comes into it, but or that might yeah. Completely. And then you're back into clay. More roots. Yeah, most of them are. So I mean, this problem with Seattle is that it's turning like 100 years old, and these clay pipes are rated for like 75 years. So most of these mainlands I go to, they're broken, or they have major offsets like this where you're gonna get hung up.